Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this affordable peachy beautiful spring makeup look for prom. I created this look using all affordable or drugstore makeup, and yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is quite a different look from what I usually wear on my channel here, so it was actually quite fun for me to create this kind of makeup look as well. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in this tutorial, then keep on watching. First up, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette over here called Rosé in the Air. I actually went to Chicago during this past long weekend, and yeah, I got this palette from Target because I don't think this palette is out in Canada yet. I'm not sure, but so that's why I got it, you know. Again, the colors are gorgeous. They have two shimmer shades in here, but I'm not going to use that today. But I'm going to use some of the mattes in the palette. This shade over here, it's like a warm brown. Put it in our crease. And I'm going to actually wing out the eyeshadow too, just a little bit. We're going to keep using this blending brush, but I'm going to start off with a peach shade over here. It's called Cut Out. And again, I'm going to put that all over my eyelids. The fluffy brush will just blend everything out as it's applying color. So first I deposit color and then just blend it out. Gonna take another eyeshadow from Colourpop, and it's called Slim Fit. It is a gorgeous kind of peach orange almost. It's almost more orange, so I'm gonna put that more towards the crease and just up here. I'm gonna take this dark brown over here, put it in the outer corner. And just define it a little bit. Next, we're going to take the shade called Pep Talk. Maybe put too much. Almost in like a cut crease kind of a way. Just so it looks a little bit softer and not so frosty. Going to add a wing liner next, and this is by Pixi. I'm going to use the felt tip liner end. Take the cold side of it. I'm going to take that and run that in the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this dark shade over here and this brown shade over here. Mix the two and put that in the lower lash line as well. Add mascara next with my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt. I always use this. It is literally just right here. I'm too lazy to grab another mascara. But I wanted to show you that I wanted to go for this pair of false lashes. This is the Kiss Lashes in number 11, I guess it says. I unfortunately threw the cover away, but it is the style number 11, and they're pretty like wispy lashes. If you have like the Ardell wispies or demi wispies, it is like that, but it's just another brand called Kiss. Now we're gonna get started with the face makeup. So to keep your makeup in place, make sure that you have a primer that you love and use all the time. I really love the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Since I have combination skin, you know, something like a pore filling primer or a mattifying primer will really make sure that you know, your makeup doesn't melt. Next up is foundation. I'm going to mix these two foundations together. This is my Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation and my trusty Wet n Wild foundation. This is more of a dewy coverage and this is more of a matte finish, so I like mixing the two together, especially because this color is a little bit more on the tan side and I am a little bit more tan right now. Apply it. Yeah, the color is correct. Yeah. We're going to contour today. I'm going to use the Milani contour stick because you do want, you know, a bit of sculpt happening. Blend out this side first. Actually guys, we forgot to add concealer, so we will add concealer next. Now that we have our contour on, actually I should have added concealer, but it is what it is. I'm going to add my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden. And just highlight the areas that I need highlighted. Now we're going to add on some bronzer. I have my Colourpop bronzer here in the shade In It to Win It. Now we're going to add powder, and we're going to do so using my trusty RCMA No Color powder. It really has no flashbacks, so I love that about this powder. Just literally going to take, and again, you want a good setting powder, something that will last you through the night. I'm going to add the blush called Intuition. This is from NYX. This is the shade right there. It is a little bit broken, so I don't want to like put it up. Just take that and apply it. Look how pretty this blush is. Oh my gosh, it actually is a dupe for the NARS Orgasm. It is gorgeous. Next up is highlighter, because we cannot go to prom without adding highlighter. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Crown of Canopy. Take that and just pop that over. It's almost like a rose gold type of a deal. So it just blends in with my blush. Like, look how gorgeous that is. This highlighter is so pretty, and they have different colors. So this is more of that rose gold kind of color, which, you know, makes everything just look like, you know, you're glowing from within. I'm going to take this shade right here from Colourpop. It's called Frick and Frack. I'm going to do a peachy lip today, but I'm going to start off with a darker color first. Straight up peach lipstick does not look good on me. So I'm going to first put this shade on. I'm going to add another shade on top, and this is Pixi Beauty Au Naturelle. This is more of that peach color that I was looking for. And that's it. I'm gonna go back in with Frick and Frack again and just blend this out. On my channel, I barely wear glossy lips, but today I want to wear a glossy lip. So I'm going to use, again, the Pixi Beauty Chloe Morello lip topper. It's just a sheer lip topper. It's going to add a little bit of dimension. So, do you see how pretty this is? So you do want to use setting spray on your prom day, because you have to make sure your makeup lasts all day. So I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray really quickly, because I forgot to add that in. And oh my gosh, this makeup spray smells so good. I don't know what is in here. Alright guys, that's it. So that completes this year's prom makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It is a different look from what I usually wear on my channel. I wanted to do sort of, you know, that peach look that people are really loving at the moment. I keep seeing peach looks everywhere, especially during the summertime. I think it's appropriate. I created it for those of you guys who are not only going to prom, but also who are looking to do a beautiful peachy look, you know, on a budget. You don't have to break the bank to look like $1 million nowadays, because drugstore makeup has come such a long way, and some of the drugstore makeup is actually really good. If you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'll also zoom you guys in for a closer look at my makeup.